We're going to be talking today about how to crush your sales targets, how to crush your sales goals. So I don't care if you're a leader, an entrepreneur, someone chasing their dream, you're going to have to sell to thousands of people in your life if you want to get where you want to go. Whether you're talking to an employee or a contractor or a banker or an investor, anyone you try to influence, this is going to be useful to you. So even if you're not a salesperson per se, this is going to be super valuable. What we're going to do is unpack 3 magical principles. They're going to help you move mountains towards getting your dream out into the world. If you look at sales as just a transactional thing, just kind of a process you go through, something you repeat over and over again, then you're not getting this. Sales done right is an art. It's about building relationships, you've heard that before. It's about storytelling, and it's about great after sales service. With all 3 of these things, they're things you've probably heard before, but what you don't know is how you do them right. How you do them so that people are attracted to what you're saying, they're influenced by what you're saying, and they're happy to tell other people about it after they purchase from you. Okay, point number 1, the art of relationship building. Why it matters? It matters because people don't buy from companies. People buy from people that they trust. So if you're being trustworthy with how you're communicating, and you're honoring what you're talking about, and you're delivering what you're promising, you're going to have a trusted brand. Honoring what you're saying and delivering what you're selling is like making deposits in the bank. And the more deposits you make, the bigger your business is going to grow, the further your dream is going to get to where you want it to go. And when you get lazy, you start doing withdrawals. People talk, people go on social media. So how do you do it? In a nutshell, it's engaging and active listening. Remember, you've got 2 ears, 1 mouth. Use the 2 ears a lot more than you use your mouth. Ask engaging questions. Listen to their answers. Write down their answers. Show that you're listening. Find out their wants, their needs, their issues, their stressors. They're going to come back over and over again. They're going to tell other people. This is what the first point is all about. Okay. Point number 2 is the most underrated sales tool out there, and it's storytelling. Good selling is storytelling. Maybe you've heard that before, but are you doing it? Are you framing things as stories? Or are you just simply talking about features and unpassionately talking about benefits? You want to tell a story. So I'll give you an example. Take abstract features and turn them into relatable benefits. Turn them into things that people actually care about, things that impact their lives, whether it's saving them time or money or stress. That's what storytelling is all about. Telling it in a relatable way so it invokes some emotions, and those emotions cause behaviors, and the behavior you're looking for is for them to buy. Okay, point number 3, the power of after-sales service. In our company, when we're working with our customers, we talk about Royal Rockstar service. And essentially what we're saying is you should treat all of your customers from beginning to the end, and we're talking about the end here after the sale, you should give them the same service you'd give a rock star or a movie star or royalty, because people talk, and the more they talk, the more your reputation multiplies, the more your positive reputation multiplies, the bigger you're going to get, the closer you're going to get to your dream. So how are you going to do it? A lot of you already, you either have this or you've heard of this kind of a customer onboarding where, you know, these are the systems and procedures that you follow when someone comes on. We're not talking about that right now. We're talking about after people buy. That's when a lot of the excitement drains, right? That's the salesperson maybe was great about following up. If you're that salesperson, you're great about following up until they said yes, then they let it slide. But what you want to do is follow up with those people right after. Start with a text, or maybe it's an email, and you want to find out, how was it? Did we meet your expectations? Deliver what you promise, follow up, make sure they're happy. If they're not happy, make them happy, do whatever it takes, and reap the benefits. Okay, time for the challenge. So regardless of which one of these 3 points resonated with you, pick one. Take a close look at how you're delivering these things. If you're looking at a sales force, look at how they're delivering on these things and fix it. Make it better. Document it. Discuss it. Talk about it. Come up with some really good follow-up procedures for people who've just bought your product or your service. I really want to make sure you got value out of this. So if there's something that wasn't clear or something that you need some more explanation on, just put it in the comments below. I get back to people right away as soon as I can. We'll see you in the next video.